Okay, next we are going to look at how to design invoices for your company. Okay, so like I said, Canva is an all-in-one platform where you can design virtually anything. Just depends on your creativity and what you have as your target design that you want to come out with. So for example, the first thing you need to do once you are on your Canva website is you can create a design. Come to create a design if you have an idea of what you want to create. In our own case, we want to create an invoice. You can go with the default version, okay, default sizing of 21 by 29.7 centimeter, which is the default one. Or if you have a size in mind, a particular size dimension that you want to design an invoice with, you can just come to custom size and you can specify the width, the height, and the units. Is it in pixel, inches, or millimeter or centimeter? Accordingly, you can just specify easily. Once you specify, you can click on create to start your design immediately. But the best method, or the best one that comes in with lots of templates and already made sizing, is you can just come to the search bar over here and just search for invoices, and you can just hit on enter and start. So once you are over here, you have more than 2,000 templates of invoices, different types from different companies. You can create a blank invoice from here by just clicking on this if you want to start afresh and create your own blank invoice. Or if you want to work with the existing ones, you can check around to see which one is free and which one can suit your company and what you want to do entirely. So let's say you just select, you just check around and you find the one that is the most interested to you, or the one that really fits in your company and you want to use it. For example, I might go with something like this because it's kind of easy to use and easy to comprehend content. You can just click and it's freely available. You can just click on it and you can see it very nicely prepared. Okay, you can change the content of it. You can replace the content and the coloration even and make it according to your company brand. So when you zoom in a little bit, you can see clearly the content. So you have the invoice, you can put your logo, company logo and everything, and you can put in issued by, you can put your name over here. So as you hover over the elements, you can see they're editable. There are things you can change and just customize them and make them your own. And then you can output it very easily. So you don't have to worry about dimension and everything and positioning also. So this is an invoice. You can see invoice number. You can maintain this number or you can put in a fresh number according to your company marketing strategy. And you can put in the date and then you have the issued to, or you just put the name of the person that this invoice is issued to. For example, Dr. Kala Usman. So if you have a particular brand that you are targeting, you can easily change the coloration to fit that brand. For example, this one, you can change this one also to fit your brand, and you can go ahead and change the content. So you can increase, you can put in the numbering. For example, you can just copy this and paste. Let me zoom a little bit. You can just copy in and paste, copy and paste, and you have the third numbering. You can just make sure they are aligned. So you can put this one as number 3, and then you can copy this also and paste. All right, and just make sure they are aligned. As you hover, as you move or drag and move, you can see the alignment sign. You can see once they are aligned, you can just put, and maybe you can put this one as television or something else, and then you can put the quantity by just copying on this and pasting, and you can just rearrange it and put the quantity, maybe it's 3, and you can put the amount, the price, you can align as well, and then you can put the amount, maybe this is 250 or thereabout. And then you can put the subtotal from here. You can just copy, or you can come over the same way, copy and paste, and then you can align them, and you can put it, this is 750, and then this comes down to 3,000. Okay, so you can just come down here and put your 3,000 over here, and your document is nearly set, $3,000. So you can come down here and put payment information, the bank name, the account number or thereabout. So once you put in the bank name and account number, you generated the invoice, one can easily go and pay. Okay, who is in charge? Are you the finance manager or the finance chair or something, or someone in charge of transactions? You can put your rank accordingly here. You can change the signature by deleting, and you can come into your upload. If you have uploaded a signature, you can easily use, like mine, I have uploaded. So you can just drag and drop it, and you can just resize it to fit in the location or thereabout. You can just see it very nicely done. You can fix it just like so, and then you can zoom out to have a clear view of the entire thing. If you have a logo, you can easily put, or if you want to put some elements, other elements, you can easily bring them in. For example, you may want to put in some shapes, or you want to put in some frames. So maybe you want to drag this and drop and put in a frame of your company or thereabout. Okay, so you can just easily drag and drop this as a frame, and then you can put maybe the logo of your company or something that can signify your company. All right, so you can maybe drag and drop this into this frame to signify your company or something. Okay, or you can put your logo, or you can put the company name or thereabout. Anything that you want to play around with, you can easily change it to suit your brand. So this is the invoice. If you are certain you are comfortable with what you have, you can easily come over here and click on share, and you can come to download over here, and you can specify what file format do you want. Is it PNG? Is it JPEG? Just like we have shown in other videos. And once you're certain you want PNG, this is a suggested, you can just click on download, and it's going to download your invoice for you. Okay, so you can customize it and make everything empty. For example, all these features, all these descriptions, you can make it empty. The quantity, you can make it empty, and then the pricing also, you can make it empty if you want to use it on a hard drive. So this on hard copy. So now you have finished, but if you want to generate it on soft copy, you can do that easily, free of charge. All you need to do is just to be duplicating the page, and you can just put in your details, and you can just send it to the customer. So you can see you have just downloaded it over here, and you can just easily send it to your customer directly. So this is about invoices and how to generate them using different methods. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.